In this video, we are planning to study about the coterminal angles and primary directed angles. Before that one, we should give the definition of standard position of an angle. Definition I have to give here. Here, standard position of an angle means the angle in the coordinate plane whose vertex at the origin. Whose vertex at the origin here, and whose initial side lies along the x-axis. Here, this one, it should be on the x-axis. So this angle here and the other one also, the negative one also, they are the angles in standard position. One of the here PA, the angle POA, or the angle is AFP. These are standard position. Okay, what is coterminal angle? Coterminal angle, the definition also it's written here. Coterminal angles are the angles which shares the same initial and terminal side. Like terminal and here this angle, let's say here, the angle here, if I say this angle is 45 degree, okay, then when I draw the angle here with another color I want to draw here, let's say I'm turning around the circle that makes 360 degree, and I'm still going to continue, and I came to this part, and the angle here 360 plus 45 that makes, and the angle here, one of them is 45 degree, the other one it's going to be equal to 405 degree. So here 405 degree and 45 degree, they are called coterminal angles. The terminal sides and initial sides, they are same. Okay. Here, find the coterminal angles of 175. It says for the 175, we are going to increase by 360 because let's say the angle is 175 when you say the angle approximately. Let's say if it is here, this is 175 degree. If it is another angle, when you draw another angle here, it should be 360 plus 175. It's going to be so, or 175 minus 360 degree, it will be. So with respect to that one, if I write first 175, this is the main angle now, 175 degree. This is our main angle, and the coterminal one to this one, it's going to be 535. 535. How did I get this one? I add plus 360 degree, and again if I add 360 degree, 895 degree it's going to be plus 360 degree, and if I add one more time 360, 1255 degree it's going to be. If I add here again plus 360 degree, it's going to be. So all these angles, they are going to refer a same angle in the plane. Here this is going to be 535, 360 plus 175, 895 is 2 times 360 plus 175 degree it's going to be. So they are going to refer the same angle. We have positives here. Also the negatives are possible. For the negatives are possible. This one. If we come to the left side, here we add by 360 degree and we got, so this angle 360 less from the previous one, and it's going to be equal to minus 185 degree here, and the difference between them again plus 360 degree, you know. And if you continue to this one, minus 545 degree it's going to be, and again when you add to 360 degree to that one, it should be okay. Now I think we understood the coterminal angles. So the difference between the coterminals and coterminal angle is 360 degree. It's going to be here 175 and 895. Again, they are coterminal angle. When you divide by 360, later we are going to learn this one. You are going to get 175 as a remainder. Okay, this was for the 175 degree. What about for the 5 pi over 4? For the 5 pi over 4, we are going to, of course, from the radian forms, 5 pi over 4, and I'm going to add 2 pi to this one. If you add 2 pi to this one, 4 times 2 pi is equal to 8 pi plus 5 is equal to 13 pi over 4. It's going to be 13 pi over 4. It's going to be, and here if you add again 2 pi to this one, it's going to be plus 5 plus 13, 5 and 13, the difference between them is 8, so 8 again it's going to be, and 21, it must be 21 pi over 4. Again I add 2 pi, and here again if I add 2 pi to this one, I will get 29 pi over 4 I will get, and these are the coterminal angles with 5 pi over 4. And of course when you go to negative side, you are going to subtract this time 2 pi, and the answer is going to be minus 3 pi over 4, and we are going to get minus 11 pi over 4, it must be. And here when you add them, this is going to be, when you add 2 pi you are going to get this one, or when you add this one you are going to get again 2 pi. So these are the coterminal angles to each other. For this sequence, these are the coterminal angles to each other. So we don't have any difference here. 175, 535 or 895, they are sharing same initial and terminal sides, all of them. So we can say 535 is coterminal to 895, or 13 pi over 4 is coterminal to 29 pi over 4. We can say like that. Okay, this is the next and the last definition about this group. Primary directed angle. Primary directed angle, the angle between is the angle between 0 and 360 degree. Here we'll learn the coterminal angles here, and the primary directed angle of these angles, are, let's copy this one and to paste to this page. Yes, here. Yes, the primary directed angle of this group is here. This angle, which is between 300 and 175 degree. 175 degree is between 0 and 360 degree. That's why this is the primary directed angle of the group. And 5 pi over 4 is between 0 and 2 pi, and that's why it is the primary directed angle of the group. How to find the primary directed angle? We are going to record another video for that one.